Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your BMW M2 G87. First, ensure your engine and transmission are fully warmed up to their optimal operating temperatures. This is crucial for both performance and the longevity of your vehicle's components. Next, select the appropriate driving mode, typically Sport Plus, to prepare the car for its most aggressive settings. This setup ensures the system is ready. To activate launch control, first engage Sport Plus driving mode, and then fully deactivate the dynamic stability control system. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Now, with your right foot, quickly and fully depress the accelerator pedal. You should see a message on your display indicating that launch control is active and ready. Once launch control is active and the engine revs are held at the optimal point, quickly release the brake pedal. Keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed to maintain maximum power delivery. The car will manage wheel spin for an explosive start. Continue to hold the throttle down and allow the automatic transmission to shift gears precisely at the engine's red line for the quickest acceleration. After executing a launch, it is important to allow your vehicle's components, especially the engine and transmission, to cool down. Avoid performing repeated launches in quick succession, as this can put undue stress on the drivetrain. For optimal performance and longevity, regularly check your car's fluid levels and ensure your tire pressures are correctly set. Enjoy the thrill responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.